Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this really easy, colorful freehand nail design. So I want to start off by showing you the colors that I'm using now. I always talk about my nail stripers in my video because I do have a little obsession with them. So I wanted to show you the nail stripers that I'm using. Now the first one I'm pointing at is Salon Perfect. I got that one at Sally's, but the other ones I got at the dollar store. I love going to the dollar store and finding nail stripers because of course they're $1, but I love finding colorful ones because they're not as easy to find as you may think. Now, using the different color ones, I'm just going to draw some wavy and curved lines. I wanted to do a really easy and simple nail design that anyone can recreate. Now, you don't necessarily have to use a nail striper. You can use a nail brush with acrylic paints or nail polishes. It's all up to you. I just like the control I get more with the nail stripers. And you don't have to use as many colors as I'm using, of course. Or if you want to go a little crazy, you can add as many colors as more than me. But I just wanted to show you something really easy and simple to recreate. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy to follow. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.